Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to increase media volume while in a call. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure to try and control the media volume from the control center of your device. If you are using a device with a home button, the control center will open from the bottom of the screen. However, if you are using a newer device without a home button, simply swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Inside the control center, you will be able to control the volume of your media. If this does not work, you can tap on the top media section and control it from there. Anything you are listening to or watching will be controlled through this panel. Just slide the volume bar to your preference and you should be good to go. So that's basically how you can increase media volume while in a call. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.